Hi and welcome to my new video. It's all about cold bluing. This is a before and after comparison. I achieved this fantastic result using the Ballistol quick bluing set. I bought it from Amazon. You will find the link in the video description. It contains a cold degreaser, the Ballistol universal oil, the quick bluing solution. You will find the manual of the quick bluing solution by pulling the label out, just like in the video. A pair of plastic gloves, 2 brushes, and 2 of those microfiber cloth. First step, be sure that there is no grease on the surface. Then take a 400 grit sandpaper and sand all the rust and corrosion down. After you did that, take a 800 grit sandpaper and take the rest of the corrosion off. If you want to polish the part which you blued later on, use a higher grit sandpaper. After you did all the sanding, clean it and apply the quick bluing solution from Ballistol. You don't need much, just use the brush which is included in the package and apply it to every part of steel that you want to quick blue. Let it have an influence for around 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes rinse it with fresh running water, or like I did, use a very wet paper towel and push the paper towel down on the surface. Don't wipe the surface that you quick blued. Now you simply spray the Ballistol universal oil on the spot that you have been working on and use the second brush to apply it firmly all over the place. You have to let it harden for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you can repeat the process of spraying the universal oil and wipe it down with a paper towel. And we are done. That's the finished product after 3 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video and I could help you a little bit. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. See you the next time.